Guys, today in this video we're going to review a product which is better known as the heart of your computer, and I believe it is the SMPS or power supply, because the duty of your computer power supply is to provide clean and stable power to all the components inside your PC, that be it your CPU, your graphics card, your RAMs, your hard drives, and all of that. And the star of today's show is Cooler Master's MWE 450 Bronze series. I brought this thing online on Amazon and I've been using this product for about an year now. The first thing that I did with this thing was to find out its stability. And here in this setup, I have temporarily connected it just to turn it on, and I'm running a few benchmark softwares which will provide good amount of workload on this SMPS. The first software namely is Furmark, which tends to put maximum amount of stress on your graphics card and your CPU. And the second software that I ran was the Cinebench. And yes, I let these softwares run for hours and hours at the end. And thankfully, I can report that there were absolutely no crashes or lags during this kind of testing. If you are interested in looking at the voltage stability under idle and load situations, then the screenshots are available right over here. You can pause the video and take a look at them. Now guys, since I've been using this power supply for about a year now, I would like to comment whether you should consider this Cooler Master MWE series for your next budget gaming PC, or it could be an editing PC, or it could be just a regular office workload PC. Should you consider this particular power supply? Now, the voltage accuracy today is absolutely the same as when this power supply was absolutely new. So what I can comment is that this power supply or this SMPS has maintained its quality, has maintained its voltage regulation throughout the year. And I'm not faced any kinds of lags or hangs or crashes or hardware issues. So again, that is a plus point. So I think that for your next PC build, you should absolutely consider the Cooler Master MWE series. And there are various models available. I think they start from 450 watt, which is the particular model over here. There is also a 550 watt, which I have already reviewed on my channel, and the review video is available for you in the I button or in the video description if you're interested in that model. Again, there's a larger 650 watt model. What I'll do is I'll provide affiliate links to all of these models and variants in the video description and in the first comment, so you can choose any model which you like depending on the planned power draw of your gaming or your editing PC. Guys, in this particular channel, we talk a lot about computers and power supplies in general. And if you're interested in learning more about these particular devices, then a bunch of thumbnails will pop up on your screen. You can click on any of them, jump to those particular videos, and maybe learn something new today. That's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked it. Take care and have a nice day.